Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the vlog. Today I want to introduce my Simple Deluxe fan. It's an HV floor / table fan. The reason I got this is because the table fan I had previously, my eyes were being dried out. And this helps because you can tilt it back. Watch. That allows it to be tilted back. And it promotes air circulation where the air blows to the ceiling and hits indirectly on me. Now I'll go through the speeds. That's low. That's medium. That's high. Now watch it spin down. Not a bad spin down time. It's got bearings on it from what I read on Amazon. Bearings tend to make for a slower spin down, so that's kind of good. Thanks, everybody.